Okay, here's the deal. I've been seeing all over TikTok people that have like some wave to their hair when it's wet, and then they actually just, I guess, like nourish it and like try to do it the right way. And I'm just gonna try it. I'm just gonna see. I'm like, you know, mine's not super wavy, but we're just gonna see. We're gonna see if I can make it work, because usually it just looks like I stuck my finger in a lot socket. Okay, so like this is all I have. So we're just gonna make it work until I can get some of the stuff. If I can even. Okay, it's the only other thing I have. I have like a bunch of beach wave, like beachy hair stuff, but like that's not what I'm going for today. I'm about to make all the curly and wavy hair people mad. Take it to the comments, y'all. Take it to the comments. I'm tired of seeing all these arguments on these posts. Lord. I think it's a little too wet. I remember hearing something a while back, like a towel can make it a little dry. Someone go in with a t-shirt. You got wavy hair too, don't you? Kind of don't know how long you're supposed to let this dry before you start going in. I'm just gonna. Okay, are you supposed to like do that? Or do you just do that?